What's up everyone, welcome to Workshop Rebuild. Right next to me is my newest project, which happens to be a John Deere 855. First of all, I want to thank everyone for participating in the t-shirt giveaway under the mystery box video. The winner was announced just recently, and I hope you guys enjoyed this giveaway as much as I did. Now back to the 855. You must have been waiting for this video review, and you also might be a little bit surprised by the title of the video I chose. Before I share with you guys the full story on this John Deere 855, I will give you guys a quick walk around, and I'll also share with you guys what came with this deal. This is a 24 horsepower Yanmar diesel tractor. It powers a Sundstrand Series 17 hydrostatic rear end. This tractor specifically has the four-wheel drive option, and it has some pretty decent rubber on it as well. This is a 1987 model, and for its age, it looks really decent. It even has a cup holder, which is way more important than that hand grip, which could save your life if this tractor would ever flip. With just over 1,400 original hours on the clock, this tractor will be around for many more years once I work on it. This tractor also came with some really neat attachments, and I'll share with you guys what I got with this package deal. It also came with a John Deere 52 loader and a 4.5 foot front bucket. The John Deere 52 loader comes with a very handy quick attach system, so you can remove it and attach it to the John Deere 855 very quickly. It also came with this massive 72-inch mower deck. This is a mid-mount mower deck, so that means it goes in between the wheels. You'd have to drive over it with the front wheels, and it is shaft driven, so the gearbox is right here. The gearbox is powered by the front PTO, which is just in front of the transmission housing. So you guys saw the John Deere 855, you saw the front end loader and the mid-deck mower, which mounts in between both axles. In the mystery box video, I also shared with you guys the 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine. It is completely in parts and it has to be rebuilt, and I will rebuild it in the near future. But I want to know from you guys, what would you guys purchase this package deal for? And if you guys have a number, leave it down below in the comments. I'd really be interested to know what you guys would pay for a piece of equipment like this, which is not running. Right now, I'll shed some light on the backstory of this John Deere 855 and why I chose the title of this video. A couple months back, I stumbled upon an ad without any pictures, and this gentleman was selling a John Deere loader tractor for a good deal. I reached out to him, and he mentioned his tractor had been at the John Deere dealer for a long period of time, and they took the engine apart for a rebuild, but they cannot fix it according to their staff. So I wanted to see what this tractor was all about, and it was still at the John Deere dealer when I was viewing it. It was still in parts, just like you saw it in the mystery box video. The engine was apart and the tractor was stationary. Their mechanics and their machine shop could not fix this Yanmar engine because they cannot source the proper engine kit for this 3-cylinder diesel engine. So basically, they left the guy hanging, and even worse, the gentleman I purchased this tractor from had to pay for the disassembly of this conclusion. After all that commotion, the gentleman decided to sell this tractor online. I purchased this tractor and I picked it up directly at the John Deere dealer. That's obviously not a good site for John Deere or even for that gentleman, but I picked it up and it's my new project right now, and hopefully I can get this back up and running very soon. I don't want to make anyone look bad in this story, but this is really what happened to this gentleman. Obviously, this brand is very well known, not just throughout North America, but throughout the world. And this gentleman had a good working tractor. Obviously, it didn't work at one point anymore. He brought it to the dealer where they service equipment like this, and they could not fix it for him, but he still had a bill to pay for the disassembly process. So let me know how you would handle this situation, and would you trust any dealers going forward into the future? With the backstory out of the way on this tractor, I'm super stoked to have a John Deere 855 or a 55 series compact tractor as my new project. This tractor is in very good condition. It is a little filthy around the engine, so it will need a cleanup. Towards the front of the tractor, I will need to align some things and also straighten out that front grille. This tractor will not receive a full restoration like some of the garden tractors I rebuilt in the past, so I'll take a different approach on this specific model, and maybe in the future I will give this a full detail once it's up and running. If you have one of these tractors, you can let me know down below what you'd like me to talk about in upcoming videos and what I should point out specifically in upcoming videos. I'd really love to learn as much as I can about this tractor and share with you guys what I learn on this tractor as I work on it. And who really knows what else is wrong on this tractor. There might even be some seals I have to replace on the rear end close to the PTO or even some seals or gaskets on the transmission. If you want to see me bring the John Deere 855 back to life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. You'll be notified when I upload videos in the near future. And if you're already at it, don't forget to hit that like button down below as well if you enjoyed the content of today's video. Until next time.